Hello dear children, good morning everyone. So we were learning singular plural in your English grammar. So in that what are the singulars are there, how to find out singulars and how to find out plural. So we learned all these rules and regulations in the previous video, and today we left with last exercises, that is to make the change under singular and plural into singular. So here, change the sentences making each noun in bold type singular. So what is given here in a sentence, the witches caught the foxes and put them in the boxes. So the plural nouns have given in bold letters. So what we supposed to do? We have to change those bold letters into singular letters, singular verb, singular noun. Okay? In every sentence it is given, the armies marched across the countries and they killed the wolves in the villages. So here in the second sentence, armies, it is given in the plural form, and the countries given in the plural form, and the wolves in the plural form, and villages given in plural form. So sir, now हम लोग plural to noun change करना पड़ेगा. Okay, here we have all these underlined words are called plural nouns. Now we are going to change those plural nouns into a singular noun. Here, witches. How to find out, how we recognize a noun into a noun as a plural. Here we have, see the nouns, it is ending with s or es. When a noun ends with es, a noun, es or yes, so it is called the plural noun. Here we have foxes. Again, this noun completes, ends with es, so it is called plural. Or here boxes. Again, it is, this noun ends with plural, es, so it is called plural. So in this way only we can identify whether the given noun is plural or singular. See, all underlying words are ending with plural. Es, ending with es, plural, ies. So we have seen already the rule of everything, ies and ves, es, again ves, es, yes. Here children, this is a different type of noun that we have learned already the previous video. Again yes for the plural, yes for plural noun, yes again for plural noun, and yes again for plural noun. Here doors, everything changes like this. Now the underlined, the bold letters, they are going to change as a singular one. Here the first one, the witches caught the foxes and put them in the boxes. Shall we do it? The witches, witch, singular. The witch caught the foxes, plural, fox. It's a singular. Fox, and put them into boxes, plural, box, singular. Clear? And the second one, the armies marched across the countries and killed the wolves in the villages. See, here we see for armies, singular form is army, and the countries, this is the plural form, to change it as singular, country, and wolves, plural form, to change it as a singular form, wolf, villages, plural form, and village. So it becomes the singular noun. Same way, the third one, the little Eves entered the houses through the windows and left food for children. So let's change Eves. What is Eves? Singular form. Think about it. And what is houses? singular form? Singular form, think about it. And windows, what is a windows? Singular form, think about it. And children. So the answer is eaves. Singular form is eve, houses, windows, and child. So we have seen already some words is different. Child, children. So this we have to learn it. Memorize it. The list I have given you already the list in the previous video. Please learn it. Clear? The fourth one. He waved his arms to scare away the lions, the rats, and the wolves. So remember about armies. This is a plural form. Think about what will be the singular form, and the lions singular form, and the rats singular form, and the wolves singular form. So here the answer is he waved his arms, plural form, and if it changed as a singular arm, lions plural, lion is a singular, and rats plural, rat is a singular, wolves plural, and wolf is a singular. The last one, doors, libraries, and mice. So everything changes into the door of the library. Singular door is a singular, library is a singular, and the mouse here, mice is a plural, here mouse is called singular. Yes? Yes, dear children. In this way only we have to change singular into plural form as well as plural into singular form. For that, we have to learn all the rules and regulations, and we have to memorize the rules and regulations, and some nouns we have to memorize it. If we don't do that, we will not be able to complete these exercises. So please learn all these things and study at home. Learn everything in your write everything in a notebook and as well as learn it, so that you can finish your exercises properly without any mistake. Thank you.